Welcome children, chapter number 3, Geography, Mineral and Power Resources. Do you know children, if the rock contains copper, because then the rock looks blue in color. Switzerland has no mineral deposit in it. A green diamond is the rarest diamond. The oldest rock in the world are in Western Australia. They date from 4,300 million years ago, and Norway was the first country in the world to develop hydroelectricity. The salt in your food and graphite in your pencil are also minerals. A rock is an aggregate of one or more minerals but without definite composition of constituent of mineral. Rocks from which minerals are mined are known as ores. There are more 2800 types of minerals that have been identified, but only 100 are considered as ore minerals. The site of the world's first solar and wind powered bus shelter is in Scotland. The first tidal energy station was built in France. Now here is a wind energy and advantages and disadvantages. Advantages is non-polluting, low cost production of electricity, one is set up, safe and clean. Disadvantages are its noise pollution, and windmills are costly to set up. It disturbs radio and TV reception, and it also harmful to birds. Solar energy. Advantages are inexhaustible and non-polluting. Disadvantages very expensive to install, and it diffuse once, so it gets wasted. Tidal energy. Advantages it's non-polluting, inexhaustible, and disadvantages are that it destroys wildlife habitat and it's difficult to harness. Nuclear energy, it emits large amount of energy, that is advantages, and disadvantages generate radioactive waste which is very expensive. Biogas. Advantage is low cost, easy to operate, makes use of bio-waste, and disadvantage that it causes greenhouse effect. Geothermal energy. Advantages is clean, eco-friendly, and always available. Disadvantage that as it is located far away from the city, so the transport is very costly and electricity also costly. Oil and natural gas. Oil advantage that it's easier to transport through tankers and it's basis of petrochemical industry. Disadvantage that depletion of oxygen due to oil spillage and gas leakage, pollutants release or caused acid rain, exploration of new fuel is not there. Advantage of natural gas that it easier to transport through pipelines, as most of the house now we have gas pipeline is one of the best example, and it's cleaner than oil and coal and it's cheaper than oil. Firewood. Advantage easy to access, provides energy to a large number of people. Our still poor people who cannot afford gas or gas pipeline, they still survive on firewood. And disadvantage is that its collection is a time consuming, and obviously it's polluting because as we burn it throw out chemicals, and it promoting greenhouse effect also and deforestation also because we have to cut down trees. Coal. Advantage that is extensively available, efficient conversion to electricity, and disadvantage that polluting source and bulky to transport. And India we have abundant of coal in Bihar and Orissa. An example is Dhanbad mining, and whatever we are getting torrent power, that is the electricity which is generated through coal. Hydel power. Advantage is it's non-polluting and promotes irrigation and fishing, and it's very cheap also. And disadvantage that it displacement of local community, inundates low-lying regions and expensive to set up. Now here is a map. World distribution of mineral and oil coal. You can see South America also, North America, and in the on the left hand side it's given coal and mineral oil, and you can see in different parts of the world there are coal and mineral deposits. And here iron, copper and bauxite is shown in the world map. That's all. Thank you.